Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I will be showing you on how to increase the disk allocation in VMware Virtual Machine. So let's get started. The first thing I'll want to do is to launch my installed VMware by tapping on the Windows key and opening VMware Workstation 17 player. The next thing I'll want to do is to look at the properties that are available on the already installed instances within my VMware. I will select Windows 10 64-bit option and I can tell that the RAM is 2 GB and it is powered off. I will click on Edit Virtual Machine Setting, and in here I can tell the allocated resources to that specific machine. The memory allocated is 2 gigabits and the processes allocated are all of them within my computer. The hard drive is 60 GB. And don't forget the other allocated resources within my virtual machine. So to edit all these, I will navigate into the options menu at the top area, click on option, the access control option, VMware tools, how to log in, among other. In this nugget, we want to see how do we expand the already allocated disk for this VMware machine. So in the hardware section, I will select on the hard disk. And I can tell from the summary column that I have allocated 60 gigabits of hard drive for use within this machine. So I have a summary of how I have allocated my machine's hard drive, and if I want to change how this looks like, especially on the total amount of gigabits allocated, I will navigate into expand disk capacity and select the expand option. From the expand option, there is the ability for me to change the maximum disk size within which my machine operates. So this is 60. I can add that up to 70. I'll then click on expand option. Once the process is complete, the disk will show a prompt that it was successful in expanding the size. I'll click on OK, and if you look at my disk right now, I have 70 GB allocated for this machine. Well, that is how we expand or edit the disk capacity of a machine in VMware. If you liked this video, click on the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next nugget.